Today, I'm going to show you how to set up dimensions on your art products so your previews can look like this. So the first thing you're going to need to do is check what type of product you have. If you have like originals or paintings, you're going to want to make sure that it's in the descriptions here. If you have a product with variants, for example, you're going to want to make sure that you have the dimensions in the variants specified below. For reference, here's a chart of what the dimensions could look like. Now that we got the dimensions set up on the products, let's go see how AR previews look on. First, make sure you have Picture It installed on the Shopify App Store. Then proceed with the onboarding to get all your products and dimensions imported. All right, so next you're gonna set up how the product images look when you preview them. So based on these two options, you should select how your product images look in your admin. So if your product doesn't have any backgrounds like this, click no backgrounds. If your product has a wall behind it or is put in a mock-up, you wanna select has backgrounds. Then you hit continue. Now you can activate your first product. Let's go ahead and activate this product. As you can see, it has a background behind it. So when you hit activate, you can select what product image to use. We'll go ahead and just use the first one. And then whether or not you want to use a flat image or automatically set a frame behind it. We'll hit remove background here. And boom, now that product is activated. Next thing you want to do is select how you want the live preview button to look within your store. There's two ways to do this. If you're on a newer theme, like an Online Store 2.0 theme, you can click the custom app block, which will embed it into the CSS, or you can add it as a floating button through an app embed. The app embed can be customized in the settings, and the app block can be customized directly inside the store editor. We'll go ahead and add that. We should already have it set up here. You'll see it's added here. You can customize it however you want, add an icon. Let's just go with the eye for now. Hit save. Head to My Products within the app. Click on the product. You can see the background is removed and all the dimensions have been imported. Let's say you have a product with variants, like we showed before. Want to hit activate here, go ahead and use that first product image. Since this product does not have a background, we select don't remove background. Wait for that to activate, and boom, here you have the product image. You scroll down, and Picture It actually reads letter sizes as well. So based on if you hit A2, B1, it'll automatically import those dimensions. If you have centimeters, we'll convert them to centimeters, and there you go. Let's go ahead and preview. Get into this test store. Go to that product. Hit the live preview, and boom. All your product sizes can be imported here, previewed within this wall. You can paint the wall if you'd like. Move it around. And we'll just use a big one for an example. And there you go. Now you have AR previews and all your dimensions imported in your store. And there you have it. Just activate this for the rest of your products, and now you have everything set up within the Picture It app. Picture It has so many other features, and you can check out the rest of our videos to find out more. If you liked the video, make sure you hit like, leave a comment, and hit subscribe to see what else we have coming up. Thank you.